A former Air Force sergeant stationed at MacDill is now standing trial for the 2007 double murder of his ex-girlfriend and their baby boy. Our Ashley Glass is following the first day of the Ralph Wright murder trial at the Pinellas County Courthouse. And Ashley, how did he react today in court?
No emotion from Ralph Wright. He stared straight ahead as lawyers and witnesses described the day in 2007 when they say Paula O'Conner was killed, a helpless baby suffocated, and years of possible clues that led up to that horrible day.
Defendant grabbed Paula O'Conner around the neck.
The prosecution says former Air Force Sergeant Ralph Wright is the only person with the chance and a reason to kill his girlfriend, Paula O'Conner, and their 15-month-old baby boy with serious medical problems, Alijah.
He didn't want to have to assume the responsibility, financial responsibility of taking care of paying for that medical support. He didn't want the financial responsibility of past child support.
Detailing a web of lies, multiple mistresses, and a double life that included a wife. Prosecutors telling the jury that O'Conner and Alijah weren't family to Wright, but burdens.
He didn't want Alijah being interference to that bachelor type of lifestyle he so enjoyed.
Ralph Wright, known as Ron, is innocent.
The defense says Wright is not the one who strangled O'Conner and suffocated Alijah in July of 2007, alleging lazy detective work, and that O'Conner's teenage daughter, Victoria, stood to gain on an insurance policy from the deaths.
Well, Victoria's relationship with her mother was strained.
The state's first witness, O'Conner's boss, describing Victoria as loving, especially of little Alijah.
Definitely had a bond. It was just amazing to see them together. She was like his second mother.
The former St. Pete police officer who first found O'Conner and Alijah dead in their St. Pete home also testifying about Victoria and the moment she learned her mother and baby brother were gone.
Distraught, grieving, inconsolable. I mean, she was very highly upset, as one can imagine.
Now, prosecutors tell me they will call Victoria O'Conner to the stand come tomorrow. There was some discussion, too, if Ralph Wright himself will testify. His attorney says that will be a game-time decision. The prosecution is going after the death penalty, and this trial is expected to last 3 weeks. Live at the Pinellas County Courthouse, Ashley Glass, ABC Action News.